Stevens Marksman 12 that I recently redid the case coloring here and bluing, and the stock that's with it had been repaired, you can see, with some wood putty filler on the ears. This particular rifle isn't a super high dollar rifle, so what I think I would try to do is to machine these ears down and shorten the whole stock about 1/4 of an inch, and so we can still use this stock and put it back on our Marksman. Let's see what we can do. Now that we have the stock all set up in our milling machine, we're going to machine the edges of the stock down to the proper depth to fit our receiver. Now that the outside edges are at the correct height, we're going to start machining the center of our stock down to the correct height for the furthest most point of the ears that protrude inside the receiver. Now we're on our center cut where the receiver pushes furthest most into the buttstock. After we wrap this part up, there'll be some trim cuts to make sure it fits correctly, and then we'll finally put the receiver in stock. Now we're making some final cuts because we left the ears just a little bit wide so we could fit them properly to the receiver once all the rough cutting was done. After a few final swipes, looks like we have the right fit for our receiver and it sits in properly. Well, there, we've finished the milling and the receiver fits quite well into the stock now, and we've eliminated all of the bad wood in the area. With the receiver now fitting properly, we can bevel the edges of the stock so that they come down parallel with the sides of the receiver. We leave just a little bit of extra room for final sanding of this gun stock when we refinish it. Now that we've shortened up our stock, as you can see, our through bolt's too long, so we're going to thread that through bolt further down.
Okay, let's try this again. So I opened up the hole a little bit so the bolt could come out a little lower on the receiver, and we'll give her another try. Ow. I think that'll work. Rosie, do you need a bigger bed? You don't exactly fit, do you? It's the biggest one I can find at Cabela's. Oh well.